Hey guys, Sam here. This is gonna be a very short video. I just want to introduce you to some of the utility and productivity apps I use on my phone that makes me to be more productive and helps in learning. So let's go right into it. The first one I will talk about is the Adobe Scan and the Acrobat PDF reader. These are common apps. The Adobe Acrobat is a very common app, on your phone. Almost everyone has it. It's happy to open different kind of PDF files. I won't be talking about that much, but the Adobe Scan right here, I would like to talk about that. Not everyone have this app on their phone. It's a very useful app which you might want to leverage on. Yeah. So okay, going forward, I like to talk about this app called Alison. This is an app where you can go right and learn different kind of courses, engage the courses, and get certifications for free. Some of them, a few of them are paid, but I can tell you that Alison is relatively cheap and affordable, more than most of other learning platforms that we have. The next one I'll be talking about is the Authenticator. The Authenticator app right here. You use it to secure your apps. Not all apps, maybe most of your financial apps or your wallets have Authenticator enabled for security purposes. You might want to just check it out. The next one I'll be talking about is Bolt. Okay, you want a quick ride to leave your house, and this is a common app, so I won't be wasting much time on it. Okay, let's talk about the calendar. I'm having Samsung calendar right here because I believe that it does everything almost what Google Calendar would do. But if you're not using Samsung, I will tell you it's advisable that you get Google Calendar on your phone. Canva is an app that you use to create different kind of visuals, designs. It can be a flyer. You can even create a short video. You can create a presentation. I recorded the video on how you can use Canva to create a book, how you can use it to create anything. You can check my channel, you will see it right here, or you just look up now, you will see different kind of tutorials I've recorded on Canva. I use Canva for my designs. I don't use all the bogus big design software like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, even though I use them, but I still think Canva is very fast for me to use. Now let's move to the next slide. Google Doc and Google Drive are two apps you might want to check out. They're very common apps. Google Docs help you to create files and store them in the secure cloud of Google. Same thing with Drive. The difference is that you can upload any kind of file to Drive and save them right here. Now let's talk about edX. This is an app. This is an extremely useful app that you really want to have on your phone. This is a learning platform. You have different kind of tutorials, different kind of courses from top universities of the world. They are right here, and you might just want to leverage on this and take a course and up your game in the market space. You have different kind of certifications. These certifications are from these top universities like Stanford Business School. We have from Harvard. We have just name it. I've taken courses here and I'm still taking courses here, and I can tell you that this is worth it, and it will be worth it if you can just give it a trial. It's one of the apps I really want to explore. The next one I'll be talking about here is the Google Fit app. The Google Fit app is very useful. You might want to check it out for your health, and I won't be saying much on that. You can also check the floating notes out if you are someone who records tutorial with your phone and everything, or you have a presentation. You can put a note floating on your screen while you're reading it out, or you're presenting it to your audience. That's that about it. And the next one I'll be talking about here is the Gray and Grammarly. First, let me talk about Grammarly. Grammarly is an app that's used for grammar. It's used to correct grammar, basically Grammarly. So Grammarly has keyboard, and it's the keyboard I am using. If you check here now, let me see again. This is what Grammarly keyboard looks like. It helps you to structure and correct your sentences. So you might want to just check the Grammarly keyboard out, the Grammarly app out. It's an extremely useful app that you really want to check out. It's very important that you have it on your phone. Now let's talk about Gray. Gray is an app you can use to create a foreign account. I recorded a tutorial on how you can create a foreign account. If you look up right here, you will see it there. Just click on it and then it will take you straight to the video I recorded how you can create a new account, a foreign, a US dollar account and a UK pounds account. And just like that, you can use Gray to create any of these accounts conveniently from the comfort of your home. And the next app I'll be talking about right here is a Keep Notes. It's the Google Keep Notes. This is a Google app. It helps you to store your notes and you can export them in different formats. It stores your notes in the cloud just like docs and everything, but the difference is that this is a note while the doc is in document format. And other, you can when you check these apps and you explore them, you see different functions. It is not to review them, it's just to show you them. Maybe on another day I might just try to do that. Konga, well, you might want to just buy something, Jumia's junior brother, just as I prefer shopping on Konga more than Jumia. I don't know why, I just know I do. Now let's talk about learning. If you are a voracious learner like me, you might want to have this app called Learning. This app belongs to LinkedIn. It's where you learn different kind of courses. You take courses and then you get certifications for it. Some of them are free, while some are paid. You might really want to check this out, guys. It's very, it will help you for personal development. If you're someone that's big on personal development, you really want to have this on your phone. It's a broader app to this LinkedIn right here. Lensa is an AI app for generating different kind of AI hats and cool. So let's talk about Lens. The Google Lens is a very useful app that you can use to it has different functions. You can search the internet with image, you can search pictures, and you can use it to extract words from a picture or a visual. Next I'll be talking about is Mixlr. Mixlr is just like a radio app where you can listen to an audio broadcast, or you can also create a broadcast using it. Next I'll be talking is the Notion app. Okay, Netflix and chill if you want to chill. Next is, now let's talk about Notion. We've not talked about Notion. Notion is a note app that's extremely useful. It's a note app, but not just a note app. It helps you to structure your notes. It gives reminders. It helps you to structure your day. Now when you look here, you see quick note. It can give you a quick note. It can list your task for you, your journal, your reading list, and getting started. Just download the app and explore it and see what it's all about. Just recently they integrated AI into it in one way or the other to help you, to enjoy the app better. Now let's talk about PDF Drive. PDF Drive is an app where you can go to and download different kind of books, paid and free books. And there, maybe it's a book you really want to read and you don't have, and I assure you can go to the PDF Drive. You will find it there. 80% of times you'll find any book that you want on PDF Drive. If you don't have the mobile app, you can still check out their website, pdfdrive.com. Next I'll be talking about on the list is the PUYYPL app. PUYYPL is my favorite app because it has different kind of payment options that you can use to fund. Now what does it do? Basically what I use it for is to create cards that can make payment internationally for people in Nigeria or some African countries where international payment is banned on their local card. You can download PUYYPL, and register, sign up, verify it, and create a virtual card for your international payment. It's very fast and easy, and it supports a lot of payment options, which is why I prefer it to some others. Now let's talk about the QR and barcode scanner. That is a very essential app you really want to have on your phone to check. Sometimes you see scan this code to do whatever, scan this code to do whatever. You can also use it to generate a QR and barcode for your stuff, be it online or anywhere. Substack Read is the next app I'll be talking about. This is a very useful app. I read on it. It's for articles. You can go on there and read articles. It generate articles for you based on your interest, and I can tell you it's a very useful app. I've been using it for quite some times now. I can tell you it's worth it. You really want to check it out. Next, I'll be talking about the Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do. This is an app that you really want to have on your phone. You use it to structure your day. When you have Microsoft To Do, you can set tasks, my day, important, planned, assigned to meet, different kinds of tasks. It helps you to get your task organized, and it reminds you when it's time to pull the trigger. Now let's talk about the Google Translate. It's a very common app. You have it on your phone. I don't have anything to say about it. VidMate will help you to download videos from the social media. And lastly, I'll be talking about Udemy. It's one of the most popular, if not the most popular, learning platform in the world. You can learn practically anything on Udemy. You might really want to check it out. Just download Udemy, check it out. What's it about? What are the courses you can learn? If you're big on personal development and other things, you might want to check out Udemy. Now that will be the end of the video for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Sam Abaride here, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscription button, and the notification bell is very important. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.